came in physical contact with the deceased, my lord. There is not even an iota of evidence, my lord, that the present accused came in physical contact with the deceased, my lord, in this present case. Just based on mere suspicion, the IOS file is charge sheet against the present 5 accused, my lord. And my lord, my second ground is at page number 14, my lord, of my petition. Para 8. There is no direct, no concrete or cogent evidence against the present accused, 5 accused. There is no
There may
direct,
be circumstantial evidence.
no, my lord. See, my lord, in this case, there is a sole eyewitness in this present case who was alleged to have been there during the entire episode, but he has failed to identify even one accused, my lord. Forget, he has failed to identify any of the accused, the 9 accused. He has failed. The person who was present during the entire episode, my lord. Therefore, there is no direct or concrete evidence. The IOS filed his charge sheet on the mere allegation that I was present within the vicinity of the crime scene. My lord. And further, my lord, now the charge sheet has been filed. The charge sheet filed by the IOS is solely based on the statement of the accused person under police custody. And my lord is well aware that it is inadmissible.
Co-accused have named you.
My lord, that is also not clear as per the charge sheet. How the arrest came to be, how the first accused was arrested, nothing is clear, my lord, in this present case. And my lord, the most important thing is my statement given before the police under police custody. The accused, the statement of the accused does not incriminate themselves to the present case, to the alleged murder of the deceased, my lord. To the murder of the deceased, they do not incriminate themselves. The statement of the accused. Therefore, the statement given by the accused before the IO under police custody is inadmissible in the present case. And the charge sheet, the whole charge sheet, if my lord.
At what stage the trial is pending now?
CC, my lord, consideration of charges.
Okay.
For
So,
consideration of charges. My lord.
according to you, this is a case of discharge.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
So, my lord, now the whole case is based on the statement of the accused persons, my lord. That too given under police custody.
Accused means apart from you 5 present petitioners.
Yes, my lord. 5 accused, and the whole charge sheet, the whole basis of the charge sheet is based on the statement of the 9 accused persons, my lord.
There is no other evidence.
Yes, that's part of the charge sheet as of now. And the by the time I filed this petition, the FSL report of some blood samples were awaited, my lord. And I'm not aware whether it has been filed or not. They have filed the charge sheet without annexing those, my lord. Therefore, that was my first contention in my first bail petition. CRPC section 167 does not talk about whether charge sheet is being filed or not, but whether investigation has been completed within a period of 90 days. So now, without even completing investigation, the blood samples and the DNA tests are yet awaited, but the investigating agency filed the charge sheet. So my ground was before the Honorable Sessions Court was that CRPC does not talk about whether charge sheet has been filed or not. It only talks about whether investigation has been completed or not within a period of 90 days. However, the Honorable Session Judge was of a different view, my lord. And now, since charge sheet has already been filed, and there is no chance of tampering or hampering with evidence, my lord. And the accused persons are permanent residents of Mokochung district.
Since when are you detained behind the bar?
I'm detained on various days, my lord, but it has been almost now 7 months, my lord. 7 months.
All petitioners are arrested on different dates.
Yes, my lord. It is almost 7 months that I've been detained, my lord.
Yes.
Therefore, my lord, and on the event of releasing the accused person on bail, the petitioner is ready and willing to provide reliable surety to the fullest satisfaction of this honorable court, my lord. And the petitioner assures that the accused person shall maintain peace and tranquility on the event of release on bail.
Yes, Miss.
That's my humble submission, my
Your Lordship, on any ground, your Lordship, the applicant should not be released at this stage, your Lordship, because it's a heinous crime, your Lordship.
But is there material against them?
Yes, your Lordship, as per the charge sheet, your Lordship would may kindly turn to page 52 of the charge sheet, your Lordship. The statement itself, there is prima facie case established against the accused, your Lordship. 52, your Lordship, in respect of the applicant accused number 5, your Lordship. 16.04, 16.05, and the preceding para, your Lordship. In fact, on the last occasion, LCR has been called, your Lordship.
LCR has arrived.
That I don't know, your Lord. It has been called by the registry. The direction was given. I don't know whether
Whether LCR is there. You have the case diary, no?
No, your Lordship, I don't have the case diary with me now.
Case diary is not there.
No, no, your Lordship.
The scanned copy of case diary was called for.
As per the last order, your Lordship,
Yes,
then
LCR was called for.
it is mentioned scanned copy of the case diary.
your Lordship,
I'm not aware of that. LCR was called for on the last occasion.
LCR was called.
Then it would be required, though it is not stated in the order sheet.
Well, charge sheet has
Then-
been already been filed.
Know why the trial court has rejected your bail.
On the ground that this law and order situation will be created. That is, they just
Yes,
the
because it's sensitive
uh,
case, your Lordship.
presumption.
No,
Mere
have to
security.
go through the case diary,
Lordship, in
whether
that case,
materials are there against.
in that
Suppose,
case, a short time may be granted, your Lordship. So that case diary. can be
suppose there
read.
is no material.
Lordship, Lordship. There is enough material, your Lordship.
My lord, in
How-
the present case, there is no prima facie case, and I've been.
We have to
negotiating
go
this
through, go.
custody
Yes.
for almost,
A short
7
time may
years
be
now.
granted, your Lordship.
Heard Mr. A. Sophie,
yes, my lord.
learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Ms. S. Mary, learned additional public prosecutor. It appears from record that by order dated 18/9/2023, the scanned copy of the case diary was called for. However, same is not available today. Considering the nature of allegations, nature of offense involved in this case, perusal of the scanned copy of the case diary of Mokokchung PS case number 13/2023, as well as scanned copy of the GR case number. It is rejected by which court?
District and Sessions Court, my lord.
What is the
Mokokchung.
sessions case number?
GR 34, my lord. GR 34.
It is not
2023.
given separate sessions number.
I'm not aware of that, my lord.
Scan copy of the GR case number
34.
34/23 would be necessary for consideration of the instant bail application. Hence, call for the scan copy of the case records. Fixing. When can you produce?
Next
Who
week, your
will-
Lordship.
who will-
After a week,
Who will produce it?
Your
Duty of prosecution.
Okay. The learned additional public prosecutor shall ensure the production of the scanned copy of the records as called for. Fixing. Which date?
your Lordship, after 2 weeks, your Lordship, because it's Mokokchung, so
No, without holidays to start. So before.
No, you give me a date.
we just starts. 17. 20.
Reasonable.
We just starts.
20 is an holiday.
19, my lord. Before they put a vacation, please, my lord. They have been languishing in custody for almost
okay.
7 months.
On
There is no
19th
prima facie case.
19th of October,
Your Lordship, right
19th,
before the puja, your Lordship.
19th of October, 2000. For okay, for production of the scanned copy of the case records.
Right, your
Bless, my lord.
For admission, item number 17.
May I please, your lordship. The present case is a simple case, your lordship. Here the petitioners, they are the,
Today we are taking up simple matters, but it is taking long.
that's right, but I assure that I think it won't take more than 30 minutes, your lordship. Here in this case, your lordship.
Is it?
Yes. And then it is, a matter is pertains to seeking minimum scale of pay for the workshops fixed in place, your lordship.
Okay. Similar matter is,
Lordship, this, the, grant of scale up pay.
yes, Mr. Van.
And now, this grant of scale up pay, state has filed special leave petition before the apex court. It's pending before the apex court regarding this grant of scale up pay to a fixed pay employee.
But no stay has been granted to the, against a division bench order.
Against the division pension.
Yes, lordship, no stay is being granted. Secondly, even other disposal of the division bench. Similar petition was started, which I placed before this honorable court.
But there is, that is no bar from hearing this matter. Suppose the decision goes on the either side. It may ultimately have to be later on in accordance with the verdict of Supreme Court, Apex Court. If at all in the SLP some order is. But what is your submission? Because of pendency,
Lordship, I have filed my, our state counter. State counter is there, your lordship.
so there is no bar in hearing
Yes, lordship,
proceeding.
unless there is a stay, your lordship, but then till now, as of now, there is no stay, your lordship. And then as I submitted again, your lordship, even after the disposal of the writ appeal before the division bench, a writ petition was disposed before this honorable court. So there is no bar, your lordship.
Yes,
I continue, your lordship.
proceed.
Yes, lordship, the petitioners, they are the representatives of the All Nagaland PWD Field Workers Association, your lordship. All Nagaland PWD Field Workers Association, which is a registered association. And they are represented by the President, General Secretary, and Joint Secretary of the State Association, your lordship. Petitioner 1, 2, and 3.
Yes, 1, 2, and 3.
Yes, lordship. And then they are the President, General Secretary, and Joint Secretary of the State Association, your lordship.
Okay.
Their details is at page 2, your lordship, of my writ petition.
Yes,
And then here the petitioners, they are aggrieved for non-granting of minimum scale of pay to the work charge fixed in place, your lordship. And then all those employees under the NPWD, your lordship, the employees, they are the grade 4, grade 3 and 4 employees, which consists of,
how many petitioners are there in this?
your
case?
lordship, here, only 3 petitioners, your lordship. But they are on behalf of all the petitioners, why? Because all the employees are the bona fide members of the state association, your lordship. And they are here for a common grievance, your lordship.
Is this a PIL?
No, lordship, is a writ petition, your lordship.
So the petitioners are on behalf of others, not on their own behalf.
Yes, yes. On behalf of all the bona fide members of the association who are fixed in place, your lordship.
Okay. Proceed.
And then since they have a common cause, your lordship, that's why the association are representing the petitioners, your lordship. Your Lordship, the petitioner states that the work charge fixed bed employees under NBW Nagaland consists of labor, mason, till the SA post, that is sectional assistant, Your Lordship, grade 3 and grade 4 posts. And then they are performing similar duties and functions like any regular employees, Your Lordship. And having known that some similar statutory employees have been granted scale of pay, Your Lordship, before that, they filed several representations to the department. That is Annex 01, page 24, Your Lordship. That is representation dated 8/5/2017. On 8/5/2017. This is the first representation submitted by the petitioners before the state respondents.
What is your prayer?
Your Lordship, the petitioners are seeking for minimum scale of pay, Your Lordship, as
For whom?
for all the fixed employees, Your Lordship.
How many?
Your Lordship, probably
You
around,
don't know.
no,
the-
3,000 employees, Your Lordship. I have included all the fixed employees in my writ petition from the RTI reply, which was submitted by the department, Your Lordship. So as per the RTI reply, there are 4,175 fixed employees, Your Lordship. As per the information furnished by the department,
Okay.
4,175 employees. And then,
No, my query is for whom you are
Your Lordship,
before this court?
work charge fixed employees, Your Lordship.
How many? No,
For-
you must know.
Yes, Lordship.
For whom?
4,175 fixed employees.
Okay.
And then, Your Lordship, after the first representation, again, they submitted another representation, that is page 25 annexed to Your Lordship. It was submitted to the Engineer in Chief, the Public Works Department, Kohima. This is the second representation submitted by the petitioners. If I may, Your Lordship, relevant, I just read the relevant para page 26, Your Lordship. May I read, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Paragraph 5, that in view of the above stated facts and matters, the salaries, wages, and allowances of the work charge and casual employees may be made entitled to choose bed to the regular employees holding similar posts or performing similar duties. And for the purpose, you can authority may kindly take necessary action, Your Lordship. This was the second prayer in the second representation, Your Lordship. And then even after that, it can, on 29/3/2018, third representation was submitted, that is Annex 3, page 27, Your Lordship. This was addressed to the Honorable Chief Minister, Kohima, but then in the copy to all the necessary respondents, they served the copy to the present state respondents, Your Lordship. So now the petitioner is, all the petitioners are bring before this court, Your Lordship. From their initial appointment till date, they are serving the department without any break in service, that also performing similar
No,
duties.
but you have to show
Yes,
that who is claiming equal pay for equal work? Who are the person
yes,
with whom they are claiming parity?
yes, Lordship.
Then they have to show that they are performing similar work
Yes,
to
Lordship.
those with whom they are claiming parity.
For that, I include some documents in my affidavit and reply, Your Lordship. If Your Lordship may look into my affidavit and reply to the opposition filed by the respondent 1 to 8, Your Lordship. In my affidavit in reply, it page 13, Annex 8, Your Lordship. Annex 8, page 13, the relevant part is batch 14, your lordship. On the above, this was furnished by the department, your lordship. List of fixed employees who have been granted scale of pay till date, your lordship. And then it ends at batch 28, that is the next page 14 to 28, your lordship. Till date, 723 fixed employees have been granted minimum scale of pay, your lordship. And then whereas the rest, they have been discriminated, not granting the minimum scale of pay, even though they are performing the same similar duties and functions, your lordship.
No, but your petition, you have to specifically mention that this A, B, C are
petitioners.
also similarly situated with 723.
Yes, lordship, for that also, I'll take you to page 31, your lordship. This was also the RDA reply, which was furnished by the department. I'll show you the information furnished by the department, your lordship. At page 32, your lordship.
Yes.
At page 32, your lordship, it's serial number 3, your lordship. Here, nature and duties performed by fixed employees. And then they have stated that works of maintenance of roads like side drain clearance, jungle clearance, and filling of potholes under the supervision of concerned GESOs. And then it's serial number 4, that is nature and duties performed by skilled employees who are not regularized. Here also, that is the same nature of works, your lordship. Works of maintenance of roads like side drain clearance, jungle clearance, and filling of potholes under the supervision of concerned GESOs. And then it
Now this 4,175
yes, lordship.
employees whom you are representing,
Yes, lordship.
in what manner they are getting salary? Fixed.
All are fixed, lordship. Grade 4 posts, they are getting 5,280 rupees. And then AC, they are getting 7,000 rupees per month, your lordship. 5,280
Now what you are praying for?
minimum scale of pay, your lordship.
What is that?
Minimum scale of pay is the first initial pay granted to the regular. employees,
What is that salary?
your
What is
lordship.
the scale?
Scale, your lordship, that will be as per the ROP, your lordship. So I think it will come around, it will start around from 14 to 15,000, your lordship. I'm not accurate with the number, but then it will start around from 14, 15,000, your lordship. And then to meet the ends of the family for livelihood, your lordship, 5,000 is not enough, your lordship. And then on the other side, 723 employees have been granted scale of pay to the fixed employees, discriminating us, your lordship. And then on the other hand, the RDA furnished by the department, they have saying that all the fixed skill, they are performing similar duties and functions, your lordship. And then as your lordship is very clear that if an employee is serving similar duties and functions with that of the regular employee, they are entitled for minimum scale of pay.
Irrespective of tenure.
Yes, lordship.
Suppose somebody is, this is my query,
Yes, lordship.
somebody is appointed for only 15 days.
Yes, lordship.
A work is there which government wants to do,
Yes, lordship.
for which manpower is required.
Yes,
It engages temporary employees and give them fixed pay of rupees 5,000 per month or 7,000 per month.
yes, lordship. But then here, in a-
Suppose they also do the similar kind of work, similar nature of work for those 15 days. Then whether for those 15 days, a scale of pay has to be
yes, lordship. Why? Because
irrespective of tenure.
yes, lordship. Why? Because this Honorable Supreme Court in Justice Singh, your lordship, they have not stated that. The only principle is that if someone is performing similar duties and functions, they are entitled for minimum scale of pay. That's
But then the burden is on that person to show that he's doing.
yes, lordship. And then for that, the department have already showed in the RJ saying that all my fixed employees are performing the same duties like skilled employees, your lordship. That is from all the divisions I've annexed in my reply, your lordship. There's the nature of the duties is all the same, your lordship. They've clearly stated, which I've shown your lordship before you.
Okay.
And then for again, I'll take you to page 33 also, your lordship. Page 32 of my reply, your lordship.
33.
Yes, lordship. Here also it's roll number 3, 4, and 6. The right side column, your lordship, all the nature and duties are same, your lordship. All fixed employees, scale employees, regular employees. They all are doing similar duties and functions.
Okay.
And then your lordship here,
So is it your submission that government cannot engage fixed pay employees if they are utilizing the services of those employees in similar manner to that of regular employees without giving them regular scale?
regular minimum scale, your lordship, yes.
So is it your submission that government under no circumstance can engage fixed pay employees if they intend to utilize the services of those fixed pay employees in similar manner to that of regular employees
Yes, lordship.
without paying them regular pay?
Yes, lordship. It will be an equal, it will be equal work, your lordship. It should be applicable. And then in the work search establishment, in their counter also, they have stated that work search employees, they are not appointed on sanction posts. But then the Supreme Court order clearly says whether sanction posts or not, if they are performing similar duties, pay parity, your lordship.
Okay.
And which I have shown you earlier, your lordship, 723 fixed employees have already been granted scale of pay, your lordship. And then whereas the rest, they are just, it's labor exploitation, your lordship. And then which is clearly against the constitution, your lordship.
Bless your lordship.
You're finished? Anything else?
Your lordship, is rolling, your lordship. To submit for your lordship. Rulings, your lordship.
Okay. Okay, let
Your
you,
lordship. Lordship, the employee has the right to determine the service as well as the payment to the employer, as your lordship is well aware. This case, your lordship, they are all are casual and contract of employees, the lordship. Moreover, there's imagine the financial burden that has to be slapped on the state. So lordship, let this matter will come up after Puja. By that time, something will happen before the honorable apex court.
no, in the
I
apex
agree.
court, have you filed the SLP?
Yes.
SLP has been filed already.
It has already filed. So I pray that let this matter will come up after Puja vacation, lordship. Similar matters are also here
Yes.
before this court.
And this appears to be a writ petition in representative capacity.
Yes, lordship.
The petitioners are themselves not agreed.
They all agree with your lordship. Your lordship, similar matter has been also filed before in High Court, your lordship, if I can produce before this court also, your lordship. Filed by the union, your lordship, association, representing all the great for employees.
Okay, okay.
I have 2 copies only, I'll just,
Now, what is your submission
Lordship,
that he wants this matter to be taken up?
your lordship is a clear case, your lordship, and then the court is very clear that if there is no state, there is no point in hearing the case, your lordship. And then we're in the middle of hearing, your lordship.
No, he's seeking an adjournment actually.
lordship, I pray on behalf of the state, since I'm representing all the state, let this matter will come up after Puja vacation, lordship.
Later, the
Because
court,
this, which is a SLV, which has filed in the apex court, might taken up any day in your lordship. So lordship, kindly allow me sometime and let's it after Puja vacation, your lordship.
Yes, because it would otherwise, if an order is passed in your favor, which according to you is the law, equal pay for equal work, then there would be a
That is
huge,
that is
huge
the problem,
financial,
There is a problem. Suppose the SLP which has been filed before the apex court comes against this grant of skill pay. And it's very problematic for the state also. So
No,
let it come up
Mr.
with
Wali, what
justification.
is your submission regarding his prayer for adjournment?
Your lordship, if you are filing an affidavit or an additional affidavit, your lordship, for that to act on any obligation, but then your lordship, we are in the middle of the hearing. Secondly, I'm claiming on,
Because it is not certain when the matter would be listed in apex court.
yes, lordship.
We are pursuing your lordship. State government is pursuing your lordship. So it might list any day, your lordship. So I pray that let this matter will come up after Puja vacation. I'll take the information and bring to the knowledge of this honorable court. I pray that the matter may be listed after Puja vacation, your lordship.
Okay. Heard
As a
Mr.
commissioner.
Heard Mr. Supangvati Waling. Also heard Mr. I. This is item number,
17.
Mr. Im Chen, Mo Im Chen. Learned Senior Government Council. After the hearing, after Mr. Walling concluded his submissions, London Senior Government Council, Mr. Mo Im Chen, submits that the state government has preferred an SLP in similar matter, and same is pending before Honorable Apex Court. And on that ground, praise for listing this matter after Puja vacation, as he is hopeful of getting some favorable order from Honorable Apex Court in the meanwhile. Considering the submissions made by Learned Council for Learned Senior Government Council, the prayer is allowed. Let this matter be listed after Puja vacations.
Obliged, lordship.
From the supplementary cost list for hearing, item numbers 36 to 38.
May please, your lordship.
Yes.
Your lordship, in this patch of matter, your lordship, that item number 36, that is a writ petition, your lordship, that is dealing with a separate issue. And the other two are for quashing matter, your lordship. I want
Separate issue.
separate issue because
So
what
why these are clubbed?
if the a separate issue involved. Here, first one is for registering or FIR, written FIR, and for transferring the investigation to CBI. Second is the quashing of the FIR and there is a second FIR, quashing of the FIR and the charge sheet. Second matter, your lordship. So what I propose to do, your lordship, I want to propose take the item one first 36 first, then I'll deal with the other matters later on, your lordship. Otherwise, you'll mix the issue get mixed up, your lordship.
Yes.
That's the reason, your lordship. Here, what has happened, your lordship?
So we are taking up item number 36 on
36, the writ petition criminal. Your lordship. Here, what happened? I just.
this, Ms. Sukre, you are ready. This can be heard for final disposal.
Lordship,
Oh, this is hearing column. Okay.
Here, it's come for
Okay,
hearing.
it is ready for hearing.
Ready for
yes,
hearing.
yes,
Ready for you. That's what I'm saying about. Otherwise, the things are confused. So that's why I said, let us be released separately, your lordship. But it has been hard to get.
No.
What has happened, your lordship? Let me state the facts first, your lordship. What has happened on 3rd of August 2018? In
Yeah. Just a minute.
in Kohima check post, your lordship.
Just a minute.
The list of basics covering everything, your lordship. The states are there. Yes.
Yes. What happened?
On 3rd of August, your lordship, The commander of narcotics cell checkpoint Kohima had caught two drug peddlers in vehicle carrying suspected brown sugar of 6.9 kg of brown sugar. Your Worship. After apprehending these two accused, the commander of the Kohima outpost, Your Worship, has given a written complaint about about the drug peddlers, and a seizure memo is also there on 3/8/2018. Your Worship.
Okay.
Thereafter, what happened, Your Worship? The petitioner, he is the rank of IGP, holding the charge of CID, Your Worship, at the relevant point of time.
IGP CID.
Yes, sir, IGP CID, the petitioner.
Okay.
What has happened, Your Lordship? He, on 3rd to 5th, he was outstation, Your Lordship. He went outstation, and he came back and joined his duty on 7th of August 2018. Now, the allegation made against
This narcotic cell is of Nagaland police.
Nagaland police, it is headed by SSP, Your Lord, not by inspector. It is senior superintendent of police who are either in the rank of IPS or senior Nagaland police service personnel who is going to be promoted as IPS, Your Lord.
Okay.
That is very senior, not like ordinary police station, Your Lord. That's the important part. So here it's SSP who is leading the thing. The allegation made against me was that I orally told them that orally told them not to register the FIR and leave this accused person, got to keep the. If Your Lordship will, what
Not
has
to register the
that is allegation.
case against the.
That is the
apprehended-
allegation. That I've never said.
No,
That's the
that-
allegation made against. That's why that's the allegation made against me. And what happened, Your Lordship? Thereafter, on the second, the 18th of August 2018, Your Lordship, since the Malkhana was not safe for keeping the drugs, Your Lordship, no FIR and no complaint. So I was requested to take the drugs to be kept in my custody because I have full overtime 24-hour security at my residence, Your Lordship.
At that point of time, where you were posted?
Yeah, I was IGP CID. I was
IGP CID.
IGP CID.
And under your control, this
Yes.
Kohima.
Yeah, everything
Narcotics.
comes, everything, IGP CID, everything comes here, narcotics cell, some.
Okay.
Now, what happened, Your Lordship? On thereafter, on 25th, I informed the DGP also about this thing, that these are things, the DGP said, you hand over the thing to the board. So accordingly, on 1st of September 2018, Your Lordship, and the OC of the police station, along with ADGP Law and Order, Your Lordship, he led a team, and instead of taking whether they have seized the item from me and registered an FIR on subsequently registered an FIR on 2018, Your Lordship. In between on 6th of
Registered an FIR
FIR against me
against you.
for keeping in custody of this thing, the drugs. No FIR is till today, no FIR is there in respect of
Original seizure.
Original seizure is not there. Even the original seizure and the this complaint is not a part of the charge sheet which has been filed against me. That will come later on, Your Lordship. Just giving a broad facts. Now, what happened, Your Lordship? On 20th of they issued show cause notice to me as to why department proceedings should be drawn against me for keeping in custody of the seized drugs. Not in a Malkhana, I kept in there. Then what happened? On 1/9/2018, they went and instead of taking back they again went for re-seizure actually. Re-seizure, they have got for second seizure of that matter from me. It has not gone out of the custody of it has again seized. That I'll deal with the later matter, but just I'm giving a broad facts. There was no element of loss or anything there. Nothing, everything was, they have not, everything was taken back by them. And There was no independent witness in that seizure memo also, second seizure memo. Let me put first seizure, second seizure, that will be clear. Second seizure memo.
First seizure was from,
First seizure was not recorded. First seizure that OC that 38, that was first seizure.
from the,
From that commander who Kuzubov outpost, he has given a written complaint and this thing. If your written complaint is there, if your lordship will see, written complaint is annexure P1. I may take your.
no, you first tell me the gist.
Yeah, that's why I'm very good, because then what happened, your lordship? So that was that. Then I was.
No. What I have
Yes,
understood,
yes, sir.
on 8th of,
Third.
on 3rd of August,
Yes, sir.
the commander of the narcotics cell,
Yes, sir.
he apprehended two drugs
Two
peddlers
drugs with the drugs.
with the death
And he has given a written complaint to the OC of the police station,
of the concerned police station.
concerned police station. And there's a seizure memo also that he has seized these drugs from him.
Okay.
Seizure memo is of 38.
And the drugs were handed over to,
Drugs were there, your lordship. Then subsequently on 18, according to me, 18, they said this is the Malkhana is not safe. The earlier theft was also there. Let it be kept in your custody.
in the custody of the
Custody of the
petitioner.
petitioner, your lordship.
Okay.
Kept in the custody.
Who gave it to you?
The OC and other station, I took it in good faith
Okay.
that let it be kept in my custody. Then when I informed the DGP said, you hand over the thing, and I said, okay, take back. So while handing over on 1st of September, they went and make a second seizure against this thing. As if these were found in my possession and second seizure. Now you
The
are,
second seizure was shown from your position.
yes, my position,
And you were made an accused.
accused, your lordship.
Okay.
And
And there an allegation was made
wait,
that it is you who said not to register the case
yes,
against
those
the,
allegations are there.
those allegations are
FIR,
also there.
to this thing, all this thing there. And interestingly, if your lordship will see that two drug accused have been made prosecution witness in my disciplinary proceeding by the department.
Okay.
That I'll come to later on, your lordship. That is, then what happened on 20th, an FIR was registered against me under section 409, 420, then your lordship NDPS section 22, then even Prevention of Corruption Act also. 25th of October, I was suspended from service. I was placed under suspension, your lordship. Then, your lordship, on 3rd of December 2018, inquiry officer has been appointed against my, and memorandum of charges were given on to me on 18/12/2018, your lordship. Thereafter, I was placed under suspension. Then I moved the Central Administrative Tribunal. Since there was no renewal of my suspension order in view of the Supreme Court judgment, the CAT has quashed my suspension order, and I was directly reinstated, your lordship.
What happened to the criminal case?
Criminal case, I'm just coming to criminal. In between, what happened, your lordship? The criminal case, what they did. If I take the document in the letter, I just give it a nutshell. Before the DGP called a report, then ADG, what happened? Here, very important things are written. Here, what the charge sheet is saying, that there is a GD entry on 6th of October 2018 and 17th of August 2018, whereby 1 packet and 10 packets were handed over to me. This thing didn't find mention in the report given to all the officers in 2000 on 25/8/2000 after a few days, and 28/2018, that nothing has mentioned that these are the dates where I took the drugs from them. Then in the memorandum of charges also, these are not there. Then when at the stage of investigation, your lordship, what they did, the police officer, they recorded 161 statement. There the case came that drugs were there and dates were mentioned. Date came in 2019, 2018, no dates were there. 2019 dates were there. I'm sure everyone record. The dates were 6 and the dates were there. Only the dates were
Dates when you took the position.
that is allegation. That was in 2019. That was, they brought it by 161 statement. Now to substantiate 161, these people made 164 statement. 164 statements are all exculpatory in nature. Here what happened, Your Lordship? This second FIR was done to save some other police officers who were also made accused, who are for against whom investigation was done and cases were dropped. The OC and another officer of the narcotic in charge of narcotics. That will come later on, Your Lordship. So the whole gravity of the matter is like that these people based on 161 and 164 statement, they filed a charge sheet. There's no evidence are there, only the oral allegation. Nothing is there. They relied on call data record. Call data record gives a telephone, that doesn't give anything else. And even, Your Lordship, what has happened? After seizure of 1/9/2018, the material from me, they didn't deposit the code in the code also. What has happened, Your Lordship? On 5th of November 2018, I moved a special judge court here for bail. I surrendered before the court because I apprehended they may arrest me also. Where the court granted me bail. On that day, I pointed out that these drugs are still in possession of that. Then the special judge has directed them to produce the thing. And on 5th of November 2018, these drugs were handed over to the court, the CJM here. So if you Lordship, what they have kept in possession of the drugs for so long, Your Lordship. That they cannot do under 102 of the CRPC, Your Lordship. So the whole thing. Then what happened, Your Lordship? Then this charge sheet, what happened? The disciplinary proceeding went on, Your Lordship. Then the disciplinary has not yet concluded, Your Lordship. The disciplinary proceeding has not yet concluded, and I challenge that the two aspects. I challenge the disciplinary proceeding before the CAT again. There, I relied on the Supreme Court judgment and the CBC circular that within period of 6 months, it has to be completed. It was not completed, so the DP should go. Thereafter, this is another version. Thereafter, I moved this honorable court also. The division bench had relied on another Supreme Court judgment, which Supreme Court judgment, whereby they extend the period of 6 months. In fact, against this disciplinary proceeding judgment, we have approached the Supreme Court also. Supreme Court issued notice to the state government as to why the disciplinary proceeding should not be quashed. So that is another one aspect that is pending in Supreme Court, that disciplinary proceeding. Now I come to the criminal matter, Your Lordship. Now, in the criminal matter, what has happened, Your Lordship? Thereafter, I filed a section 482 petition under for quashing of the FIR and the criminal proceeding. That was registered as criminal petition number 5 of 2021. Thereafter, what happened, Your Lordship? During the pendency of this thing, when they filed the reply, they said that they have filed a charge sheet on 22/11/2021, Your Lordship. But whether they made an affidavit, that's I'll show everything, sir. They filed an affidavit showing that they filed a charge sheet there.
In your case,
In my case.
charge sheet
Thereafter,
has been laid.
thereafter, when I went to search from the tape, that charge sheet was after being filed, that was taken up by the PP and the IO from the court custody for rectification, correction, and modification of the district. As soon as I came to know about this, I filed a movement IA in this thing as to how the charge sheet once filed in the court can be taken away by the IO or PP without any order of the court. That cannot be done. Then what happened, Your Lordship? This first charge sheet was filed with respect to there's a sanction order taken on 30th of August 2021, only on the ground of PC Act, not on the IPC. Sanction was taken and charge sheet was filed. Thereafter, what happened? On 4/3, they again moved the department for fresh sanction. Same thing. Then what happened, Your Lordship? Then 7.
This charge sheet was under NDPS and PC Act.
That first charge sheet, I don't know. First charge is not on record. First charge sheet,
Okay.
sanction order is there. So the sanction order is only on IPC, prevention order, and I think might be ND, but not IPC is not there. IPC is not that, I am sure. I'll come to the document is here. Then what happened, Your Lordship? After this, they moved that court and they, the charge sheet was for this charge, they again sanctioned. Then again on 16th of, they filed a second charge sheet. Second charge sheet in the court, this is not a supplementary charge, second charge sheet is before the court, whereby they have dropped the prosecution against the OC and the in charge of police and may be liable under this provision, IPC and all these things. So here, if you're watching the case record, two things are very important. Four things. One, from the charge sheet record, the first sanction order is missing that I have got. Then the first charge sheet is missing. The criminal complaint 38 to a written complaint 38/2018 is missing, and seizure memo 2000. These are all missing. If they place this record, the whole case got passed. So they intentionally they read this thing, and they went for this thing. And on the basis of your lordship will see these statements which have taken, because I have been implicated only by oral statement. Nothing, there's nothing on record. Oral statement saying that this has happened, there, and their statements are also contradicting. So this then this charge sheet was this thing. Then after this charge sheet, I came to know, because what happened in between, I just when the first charge sheet was missing, I moved this honorable court in the first criminal petition that let an inquiry be held by this court and this thing, or especially the how as to how the paper has been taken out of this. This matter, this honorable court issued notice, and that application is pending in the other one. Thereafter, what
There is an separate proceeding pending.
yes, that is a criminal petition 5 yes, yeah, 5
Attached with this.
yeah, 5 of 2021.
Okay.
Now what happened after because in that reply to that IA also, when I said that they produced a second charge sheet, your lordship. Second charge
means supplementary charge sheet.
no, that is not supplementary charge sheet. They have not said this is a charge sheet. They have denied that they have not said about a first charge sheet. This is not a supplementary. I got you to. It's not a second supplementary. Supplementary charge sheet things should have different. It's not a supplementary charge sheet. It's not under 73(8), your lordship. This is a fresh charge sheet.
Okay.
Then what happened, your lordship? I moved this honorable court at that petition, criminal petition 27 of 2022, challenged their charge sheet and everything document, your lordship. Then the case records, everything was brought.
Second charge sheet.
Yes, again the second, that's 27 is again the second charge sheet. And first charge sheet is missing. So first is FIR and second charge sheet, your lordship. So,
Okay.
so this is the whole.
Your criminal petition number 27 is for quashing the
first
second
charge sheet, your lordship.
second charge sheet.
Yes, second charge
And criminal petition number 5,
is for quashing of the FIR and the criminal proceeding, your lordship.
FIR against you.
Yes, sir.
And this present writ petition criminal.
Writ petition for registering on FIR against the 3/8/2018 complaint, because how the drugs had come to nothing is there. And say seizure memo also. So since high police officials are involved in this matter and it's an interstate trade, your lordship. That's why I prayed for CBI inquiry also, your lordship. That let it be handled, investigated by CBI, because high police officers, you cannot get an investigation, because they have intentionally suppressed this complaint. So this shows the malafide of the respondent, your lordship, in this matter.
So this writ petition is only for.
Yeah, only for
Registry.
registering of FIR and transferring the investigation to CBI, your lordship. I just, your lordship has said that order that 4/8/2018, that order makes it very clear, the scope of the writ petition, your lordship. Scope of writ petition has been given there. I may read that order, your lordship. Order, it's your lordship is 4/8/2000. Hard so and so, your lordship.
4/8.
4/8/2022, your lordship. The first order. Hard Mr. So and so, your lordship. This petition has been filed seeking for direction to state respondent to register an FIR in respect of the complaint dated 3/8/2018, which was filed by UBSL Luthangala, Commander Narcotics Cell Checkpoint, Kohima, and also for a direction to respondent to give consent to transfer the investigation of the case and a complaint dated so and so to the CBI. It is a case of the petitioner in view of not registering an FIR and complaint dated so the petitioner who is alleged to be implicated keeping in custody of the sage contraband suspect to be brown sugar weighing 6 kg so and so has been issued notice so and so since the state is so. That is the order. Then I'll show the prayer in my writ petition also. That will make it very clear. Prayer in the writ petition is at page, which will actually see page 91. Okay. And a page 90 start from page 90. Okay. Page 90 of my writ petition. Sorry, sorry, so I gave a wrong number. Sorry. Because I was dealing with the other. Your Lordship is page, it is page, if your Lordship will see, page 32. Start from 32 bottom. Then 33, read up, my daughter's got it. Page 33. Read up mandamus. My God, daughter's got it. Page 33, your Lordship.
Yes.
Writ of mandamus or any other appropriate writ or direction like that should not be issued directing respondent to register an FIR in respect of complaint dated 3/8/2018 and the seizure memo dated.
Whether you registered, you attempted to file any FIR.
I
Which
cannot
was-
do it. I have been an accused. How can I say? Because the written complaint by me, someone else. I
No,
cannot.
that is,
Yes.
that was alleging wrongdoings by you.
Yes, yes.
But suppose you are alleging something,
No,
have you approached any?
No, your Lordship, question here is, there's a written complaint there that has not been taken care of.
You have filed a written?
No, that is written complaint filed by the commander. That is here, if your Lordship see page 37, your Lordship. I will annexed it.
Against the two
Yes.
drug peddlers?
Yes, page 37, your Lordship.
That was not registered?
Yes, your Lordship. That is.
Your prayer in this case is for registering that
Register
FIR?
of FIR
That
and
FIR.
the seizure was, because if these are done, if the investigation, I get scot free. Because all accusation is all.
No, let me
Yes.
be clear.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Your prayer is your prayer, whether your prayer is for registering the original FIR, which
Yes,
was
okay.
that FIR you are
Yes, sir.
against the two
Drug peddlers.
drug peddlers,
Yes.
which was according to you
not
was
registered.
not registered,
Yes, sir.
but it was filed by the OC.
Yes, no, not of C, that is the commander of the narcotic who has seized them, who has caught
He
them.
had filed a
He has written
complaint,
complaint to OC,
but OC has
Not
not
registered.
acted. Okay,
that where it at page 37 start.
this is the complaint.
Yes, sir,
This was not registered.
not registered.
Now you want
This to be registered.
and the
And the
investigation to be
and
conducted by,
Let the investigation be done by CBI. That's the crux of the matter. I have judgment to that effect also. There are two Supreme Court as constitutional bench judgment to that effect.
okay.
If you are with reference something, I have.
Here you are not seeking any relief for yourself.
No, I'm not seeking it. Let it be investigated. If they find me, let me.
You may also be implicated.
I'm not bothered. I'm ready to go for this.
Okay,
I'm ready. I'm not saying that I'm not, I don't want to be implicated here. I'm not saying that. Let the investigation independent. I have the honor to state that on 3/8/2018 at around 8:30 hours, one vehicle Maruti Swift white color registration number so and so was signaled to stop for checking by the duty person Kohima Nucleus narcotic cell checkpoint, but the vehicle accelerated and escaped from the checkpoint. Seeing something fishy, duty person intercepted the vehicle after a brief chase. Because it's your Lordship will see this drug peddling is coming from Myanmar to Manipur. That way, it is a transit port state. It is that carrying the drugs from one state to another thing. On checking the vehicle, the party recovered 11 packets suspended around 6.0. The illegal items were wrapped in brown and yellow tapes and concealed inside the extra space of the vaccine. In this connection, two occupants of the vehicle, namely Sri Rahul Karal, son of and Deepak Karal, son of Lava, were apprehended. Illegal items are safe. I therefore request a high esteem and also to kindly register a case, approach so and investigate it. He has realized this has not been done here also. Then next page is the seizure memo.
Yes.
Then page 39, just see that. On 3/8/2018.
Page,
To 39, Your Lordship, page 39.
no, 39 is not the Caesar memos. 39 is the,
Annexure P2.
annexure P2 is page 40.
Oh, I think, yes, I have, my page is on that. I'm sorry. Your Lordship.
42 is the type copy.
Achha, achha. So this Caesar memo is here, Your Lordship, see.
This Caesar was from
Ah,
the
from the original.
original two peddlers.
Yes,
Okay.
here it's written, Your Lordship. 3/8/2000 property shift so and so, date 3/8/2018, because season 3/8/2018. Place, Kohima checkpoint, narcotic cell, person to whom says, one is Rahul Kharal, one is Benu, son of so and so, and the second one is, this thing is here also. And second name is this guy's name. Deepak Lama, I think. Two accused are there, Your Lordship, and here it's there. They have been,
It shows only Rahul Karan.
well, I think second is also there, just on the side. I just, both are there. The case record, this is missing, Your Lordship. Both are, because here, it has been, it is there, because it, I think.
But in Caesar list, name of only one person.
That, I think some mistake, I think it got dropped, I think, the typing, I think might be.
No, original Caesar list photocopy is also there.
Yes, sir, that is.
At page,
It is what is
in
saying,
the, it says only name of person whom sees Rahul Khanel,
correct, acha,
son of Benu
Yes.
Karen. Only one name.
yeah, only one name is there, that's. But it is, the accused is two persons. They appear two persons. Might be, from this person they have recovered, there might be that. Two persons are say.
But only one person is shown to have been.
The one person from whom the seized item might be recovered, I think that might be the reason. Because if two persons are there, he might have brought this, he might have let this, that's why his name is there. Also.
There were two occupants of the
Yes, two
vehicle,
occupants. Since it was seized from Rahul Kharal, his name was given. I think that was
Deepak Lama and
Deepak
Rahul,
Lama, Rahul Kharal, yes.
but Caesar was made
Wait
from
for them, because that vehicle, he might have pointed out these are the things. They might have got, he might have shown these things, these are there. Both are in the vehicle. He might have shown it that these are the vehicle. That's a Rahul Kharal name is there.
Okay.
So these two, Your Lordship, are the thing, Your Lordship. Then Your Lordship, no GD entry has been made here in respect of this on 3/8. There's no GD entry made by the OC of the police station. Your Lordship. The allegation made, I have orally told her not to register an FIR and release this to accuse, Your Lordship. That's our only statement. I have not stated that, that's a way. And if Your Lordship will see the provision of Police Act, which I have quoted in page 19, Your Lordship. Who had the duty, Your Lordship? What is the duty of an IGP? What is the duty of the page 19, if Your Lordship see?
Page?
Page 19 of the petition. 1 minute. Section 4. Your Lordship.
Yes.
Section 4 says Inspector General Police. What is my role? The administrative police throughout the general police district shall be vested in an officer to be styled as inspector and is such deputy inspector general and so on. The administration of the police throughout the local jurisdiction of the magistrate of the district shall be under the general control and direction of such measures vested in distributor and such assistant distributor state government. Then comes section 44, your Honor. Police officer to keep diary. It shall be the duty of every officer in charge of a police station to keep a general diary in such form shall from time to time be prescribed by the state government and to record therein all complaints and charges preferred, the names of all persons arrested, the name of complaint, offense charges against them, the offense or property shall be taken into person so and so. Now, your lordship, here I may pose a note. Till today, now no FIR has been registered. Till today. If the allegation made by them is correct, let me presume against me. Then I have been suspended on 10/2018. I am out of IGP CID. Still they cannot tell after that date that I am influencing them. They didn't still register they didn't register this FIR also, not waited a GDNT till today.
The FIR which was registered against you,
That is there, not the original complaint. The 3A FIR is not been registered.
no, that does not make any mention about this incident.
But no, you see, they not kept it. I just told them I kept in custody. That FIR is also there. That FIR is also there.
The FIR against you.
Is page 53, I think. Page number, one page may go ahead. Just here. Yeah. Your lordship would see annexure P7.
Page,
P7, yes, P7, just FIR is, I go for FIR first.
page number,
FIR is page 56, it might be 57, P8. P8 is the FIR. FIR number 01/2018. If your lordship will see, if my lord has got it, P8, it should be, I think, page should be 57, I think, but there might be, my page is one page short actually. 57, if your lordship, page 57, P8.
there is no annexure mark.
P8, your lordship, FIR. Huh? Huh? Yes. No, here.
P8 is 71,
Yes.
not 58.
Your lordship is taking the other rate petition. I think this is a question petition or rate petition?
This is the writ petition.
Acha. Your lordship would see that. How done, the page has changed. Mine is-
Otherwise, this case is complicated.
Yes, yes.
Everything has to be very
Yes, yes,
systematic.
systematic. Yeah.
Otherwise, I will not understand.
No,
It has to be very systematic
I'll be assisting your lordship. If your lordship, I think.
because police have made things complicated.
Yes, your lordship.
You have also, you appears to have you appears to have your own contribution is there, making things.
No, my contribution is not there. I'll show it, yes, sir. My contribution is not there. Your lordship, I went to help them, I got, if your lordship will see that FIR, your lordship,
FIR is at page,
because here, P8 should be there, P8 is there.
P8 is at page 73,
Acha, acha, acha.
which is a format of FIR,
Yes, sir.
type format of FIR.
Yes, sir. Your lordship, see, section 409/420,
Yes,
then PC Act 31C, this thing, PC account, NDP section 22, you are going to occurrence date from 3/8 to the date to 192, they have put it there. Time period, written or written, the type of information written, you will see here, nothing is mentioned about the seizure from that 3/8, your lordship. Nothing is mentioned, your lordship.
that incident occurred on, that's
On 3/8.
3/8.
Instead of, they have put there, if you lordship see, 3/8 to 19/2018. 3/8 if you say occurrence of event, 3/8 to 19/2018.
So they mention about 3/8. Where is the written FIR? This is the format only.
Yes, sir. Written FIR is there also, written FIR, I think it's a handwritten thing. The police officer had given, I think. Written FIR is there. Handwritten thing. There.
It should have been annexed along with the format.
I think you're not, written FIR. He just.
You have to go through this
Yes,
writ petition.
yes, sir. Yeah, that written FIR is just one page by this Tuloki Sema. He has given the written, along with this thing.
You may go through the record of the case.
Yes, record. Yeah, it is. If your lordship take this criminal petition number 5 of 2021, their written FIR is there.
In this writ petition, you have not annexed.
Now, whatever, I think that page got missed out, like I said. Because it is there in page 71. If your lordship take that criminal petition number 5 of 2021.
But in this case, the relief is different.
Yeah, no, I just say this is only a petition because it's that
At
that-
which page?
page 71, you'll see. Your lordship. This is the hand, this is this thing, your lordship. FIR.
One page FIR.
Yes, sir. With reference to the above, sir, I have the honor to lodge the written complaint against so and so based on the state seizure memo 19/2018, wherein so and so suspect from official witness so and so were seized from official so and so, it is a registered regular case conducted. Sir. So that FIR is the next page. Your lordship. Yes, sir. So this is that.
It says that
Yes.
it was received from your official residence.
Yes, sir. I have not denied that. What has happened, I kept in my custody, it was because of security, I have kept it there. It is, if your lordship see their suspension notice, it was kept in custody. I am not in possession, it was kept in custody of me. Suppose your lordship, if there is a first seizure memo, then how this material has not gone out of the possession of this police department. They have asked me to keep it. So there cannot be a second seizure of it. Once the first seizure is there. Because this is a FIR, your lordship here itself. So
This FIR is dated
dated 2010-2018. 2010-2010. 2010-2000. Next page is the FIR. 72 is the FIR. 70. 72 is the FIR. Same thing which I have this. Occurrence from 038 to 19/2018. There is no mention about,
what happened on 3/8.
yes, there is no mention in the FIR also. I think it's only 3/8 to 2018, because once that this thing some, he cannot register a second FIR. It has to go in the same FIR.
So on what basis that date was mentioned?
Which one you are watching?
3/8. If it is not mentioned in the FIR.
Your Lordship. It's a mentioned,
twen-
this document, they have not denied this document. This document very much in existence.
Which one?
The
The,
3/8/2018, which I have, this document,
where
because
is that document?
that's annexure P1, which I, your Lordship said, I did.
The
Original complaint.
original FIR,
Original FIR, yeah. Original complaint, is that not
original complaint, that is,
3/8/2018, yeah.
it is there in the
When the
case,
drugs have been seized, the drug period.
it is there in the case diary.
Case there is not there. Case there is missing, your Honor. Case there, this one and seizure both are missing.
So apart from your submission and the photocopy which you have produced.
Yes,
From where you have produced the photocopies
which one, your Lordship?
of the FIR, original FIR?
This complaint, I got it from them itself. This complaint was, because it has not been given part of, they have intentionally avoid this, this 3/8/2018 and the seizure of 3/18 from the charge sheet document. It's not there.
Then from where you got it?
I've got it from them also. Your Lordship. They have not intentionally, they have not put the record in, but this thing was supplied to me. Your Lordship. I got it, Your Lordship. And they have not denied the existence, of this document at all.
Now, where it is?
Which one, Your Lordship?
It has to be somewhere in relation to some case,
Yes, sir.
police station case.
Yes, police station.
If suppose no PS case has been registered
Yes,
on
sir.
the basis of first FIR and first seizure,
Yes, Your Lordship.
then where these two documents are kept now?
With them, Your Lordship. It is with them.
With them,
With the investigative police department here. The defenses they are having this document. And in the reply, they have not denied these documents. In the reply, they have not denied these
it is
documents.
there in the case diary of your case diary.
No, it is not there. My case, there is the documents which are supplied the charge sheet, that doesn't include these documents.
It does not mention about these documents.
No, nothing,
No mention.
nothing. Only that PW4, he mentioned in 161 statement
What?
about this, the existence of the document. He and 161 statement, PW4 has mentioned it. Who that commander, he has mentioned that 3/8 complaint was there. He mentioned it, Your Lordship. He mentioned that, Your Lordship.
Then what is your allegation? Why it was not registered? Because you were the IGP at that point of time.
I cannot register it. Register it.
OC
has to
had to
register.
register. Why OC didn't register?
That's the issue, Your Lordship.
That is the allegation.
Yeah, the allegation, because if once this is the register, the whole thing will come out. So they want to pin down me with a custody and finish the matter, save all the police officers. That's the basic idea. Once this come in the record, they'll be in trouble, because what has happened to this? Now the issue, how the drugs have come, if this is not, how the drugs have come into position of police, if this is not there.
What
Suppose-
is the allegation in the
Which one? Your
in the
Lordship?
charge sheet? How the drugs came to your possession?
See, they said, I have kept in custody, that is the only thing. Drugs
From
are-
where you have procured?
that's not there.
No,
They said from Malkhana, I asked them to hand over this thing.
from where it came to Malkhana?
Yes, Malkhana, that is not there. If your Lordship,
Ah.
if your Lordship see the reference, I just, yes, statements are there.
Okay,
If your Lordship see that this gentleman.
no, why I'm asking these questions?
Yes, sir.
Because one investigation has completed
Mhm.
and charge sheet has also been laid against you. In subsequent in the investigation which was completed against the FIR filed against you,
Yes, sir.
these things could have been investigated.
Yes, sir. That has not been done.
From where you
If,
procured the drugs.
see, annexure P4. P4. P4, this is that commander, he has given that report. That will be page 45, I think. Lordship has got P4.
Yes.
In inviting a reference to the subject, I have the honor to submit herein a detailed report in connection with seizure of suspect on 3/8/2018 for your perusal and necessary action, please. Yes, written here.
No, this is not again that.
If you see here,
Annexure 5,
annexure P4. P4.
yes, P4.
I read this, I read it. That's, sir, I was the commander, I decided, I was detailed as the commander, who's one, he said, on, with effect so and so, at around 8:30, he said, I was one vehicle swift modified by register number so and so, was signaled to be stopped for checking a personnel on duty at the checkpost point. Sensing something fishy, the duty personnel intercepted the vehicle after a brief stay. The vehicle was thoroughly checked. During the 11 packets of suspected brown sugar weighing 6 kg were recovered from the vehicle. The illegal items were wrapped in the brown sugar yellow concealed in extra secret packet back seat of the vehicle. In this connection, 2 occupants of the vehicle, here stated, Rahul Kheral and Venu Kheral, wife of so and so. This document is on record here. Once I had, and so and so, where apprehended and illegal items were seized, a video was also so and so. In this connection, the matter was intimated to IC narcotics cell. He has intimated UBI so and so through mobile phone and to directed me to report the matter to SP. Accordingly, I reported the matter to SP narcotics through mobile phone, and she again directly reported the matter to IGPCI. As per the direction SP madam, I called the IGP to report the matter, and he directly bring the arrested accused person seized to office. He also told me not to reveal the disclosure matter to any state people. Self, along with my duty party, produced the person seized item with a written FIR at PS around 10:38 to the native take. So he has categorically stated, Your Worship, Commander,
that it is you who asked him not to disclose.
no, that is the allegation. That is the allegation. I have not said that. That is the allegation made against me. That is the allegation made against me. So here, how the SP, IGP is concerned with this, they have to come to, and what I have on 3/8 of Your Worship, 3/8/2018, I was detailed to attend a conference in Gauhati. I wait for 3/8 and I reported to office on 6/7. What happened? According to my case, they didn't register an FIR and rate of the accused. The fact that the accused and this police officer in Kohima clearly prove when they make this, they said, I allowed them to run away and everything. They said, all the allegations, I kept the truck and released the vehicle, allowed them to, so that I can contact Kingpin or something. Now, if that is the case, then how they have got the prosecution, these 2 drug peddlers prosecution against me, in the disciplinary proceeding. That was approved by the highest of your DGP and this thing. Otherwise, Your Lordship will see that is, they have been made as witnesses, Your Lordship, in my disciplinary proceeding case. That is. Okay. If Your Lordship takes annexure P10, sorry, P10, it will make it very P10. If Your Lordship will see these documents, that will be page 62. If Your Lordship will see in my disciplinary proceeding, Your Lordship,
P10 is
page, I think it should be 62, I think. Yeah.
P10 is here 82.
P10?
First, we have to tally the records.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, what you are submitting,
Yes, sir.
what I am going
I think
through,
page number something like that.
that has to be tallied. Because
Yes, sir.
this case is,
Very coffee. So if Your Lordship, take it up day after tomorrow, I'll just check the recording.
you go through the record.
Yes, I'll get it. I'll check until day after.
And whether all the 5 cases are linked,
Yes,
these are linked.
yes.
Yes,
Okay.
so many things, otherwise, Your Lordship, it will.
You have to go
on the-
in a systematic
Yes,
manner,
I'll go.
one by one.
I'll go.
In this case, his prayer is for
Registering of an FIR.
registering of an
And
FIR.
transferring the investigation to CBS.
So before that, you have to show me that
Yes.
no FIR was registered.
Yes, yes. That no FIR in connection with this complaint has been registered. No FIR in connection with the original complaint has been registered. That is the issue.
No, it could have happened. Suppose assuming, I don't know the fact,
Yes, sir.
that allegations made against you are really true.
Yes, sir.
That you prohibited the police officers to register a FIR.
Yes, sir.
Then it is very natural that FIR against you being holding a high police rank official would be filed delayedly. when the matters is reported to higher officials.
Hmm.
This may happen. What has actually happened, I don't know.
Yes, sir.
But you have to place things properly.
Yes, sir, that's what I'll do, I'll do that. Because what has happened, your lordship? Suppose assuming what they say is correct. After 25/10, I've been suspended, I'm not IGPC. Why they have not registered the FIR after that?
Otherwise,
That complaint, and no action has been taken against the drug peddlers. Why they have not taken after?
No, but okay, we'll hear it.
yes,
Yeah.
otherwise, lordship, only when the petitioner can prove that the contraband ganja was not seized from his possession, if he can satisfy this court, then only we can go into the next questions. Otherwise, first he has to prove that one. Only he has to satisfy this court, then only we can go into the detail.
That is the
Yes.
second issue.
No,
Question
that is
is
not the second.
how the
issue.
drugs have come to them.
Only
that
when he
If
has,
there is no FIR, no DD entry, how the FIR is there till today?
only when he overcomes that burden,
Yeah, yeah.
only we can go into the detail of the other cases, other prayers of the petition.
Their cases, drugs are seized from your position.
Yes.
But how the drugs have come? They have not said it.
No,
How the
that,
drugs have come to me?
that, you-
Their case, I have taken it from the Malkhana, their Malkhana. Their case, I have taken it from the Malkhana. That is their case. If you will see that
Okay.
it is their case that I have taken it from, I have asked the officer, give me the drugs, I have given.
no, but we will go through it.
Yes, yes.
The submission is that as the allegation, main allegation is drugs was seized
Yeah.
from your residence,
Yes,
from your position. It is you to show that how it came to your position.
Yes, that they have admitted. That they have admitted that I asked this officer to give me the drugs.
There are materials to
Yes,
show.
that there are letters are there. These are all the annexes are there. Annexes are very clear. I'll show you. People will see.
Okay, no, not now. You first
Yes.
rectify the
Yes, I'll do it.
record,
I'll
tally it with your own record,
I'll-
so that
do this.
when you want it,
After tomorrow.
day after tomorrow,
After tomorrow, because tomorrow is where the DB will.
Or tomorrow also.
Tomorrow DB.
We can try. Again,
in 36, 37, 38. A common order may be passed.
Yes.
Heard Mr. Praveer Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. V. Shokre, learned public prosecutor. Actually, hearing has not properly started.
Yes. So, no,
Hearing,
About clear the whole.
yes,
hearing remain inconclusive. Let this matter be listed again on
Mm.
when you want.
After tomorrow.
they have to issue.
At the top of the hearing was.
Okay, let us see
a motion.
on 12th of
Yeah.
October 2023.
Lordship,
Well.
Yes,
if it can be taken up before the admissions column, right after the motion. Otherwise, this matter has been kept on pending for quite.
yes.
Yes.
Now, today we have seen that
Yeah.
we are stuck off with item number 1 itself
Yes, yes.
Yes,
for
yes,
the whole day.
exactly.
So it is very difficult to, day after tomorrow, then again a civil matter is listed.
Mm,
Your lordship may upgrade this, because being a part, it can get.
No, I am not keeping it part heard.
mm,
Your lordship people for it will come out. Otherwise it will go down.
Yes, Lordship.
It's not even a part of the same. Otherwise it will go down.
No, for keeping part heard, at least let me hear it. You have to start your presenting your case in an orderly manner.
Because otherwise,
Okay, day after tomorrow, on 12th
yes,
of October. What was your prayer to take it up as?
first, second.
Yes, right after the motion matter.
Then other matters would get stuck. Because it will take time.
Yes, yes.
Then we cannot keep other matters. Then let it be on
Friday,
Friday,
Friday.
because Friday list is not
Yeah,
still up.
Friday,
On Friday, that is on
13.
13/10 as first item in hearing column.
You can say problem will.
The learned counsel for the parties may request for upgradation of the matter on that day, considering the cause list of that day.
For hearing item numbers 27 to 29.
My lord, I'm appearing on behalf of the petitioner.
Oh. This is through VC.
My lord,
Today we are having only batch.
my lord,
This is item number 27 to
29, my lord.
20. Yes.
My lord, this is a tax matter, my lord.
No, just a minute. You are not audible, Mr. Saraf.
My lord,
The volume
am I now audible, my lord?
has, it's not audible.
Well, I'm just changing my instrument, my lord. Another laptop. my lord.
Mr. Imchen, whether Mr. Saraf is audible to you? You can see. You can hear.
My lord, am I audible now, my lord?
Yes. Oh, what happened?
But I think the lord can hear me now.
VC has to be. This is not very conducive. The arrangement is not very.
Now I can speak about it.
It may be in the VC room. There will be more conducive. Because Mr. Saraf,
My lord,
the arrangements there are not very proper in the courtroom.
oh, okay, my lord, in Kohima, my lord.
It should be a motion from the VC room.
In the VC room, it may be arranged.
Otherwise,
Can it be arranged now? You ask. Is there any other matter left? This is the last matter. Because it will be difficult in this arrangement
My
to,
lord, I can understand, my lord, because you have to lordship has to see on the side.
the screen is down below.
Well, that is not properly placed, my lord.
So,
So, as per your lordship, my lord, the desire and convenience, my lord, I will do it, my lord.
we may actually have to make proper arrangement for VC. We may have to be adjourned. Because now not much, or if we can, how much time will you take?
It will take some time, my lord, because
It will take some time, no?
my lord.
What is your solution? Mr. Imchen?
I'll also take some time.
Because this, in this manner where there is echo is coming and screen is not clear.
Yes.
The matter, I
Lordship,
find
if
it
it's-
difficult to hear through in this
if
manner.
it's a bit late in the VC room, my lord.
Your lordship. If your lordship, if my learned senior friend agree, then we can fix it and write it from VC room.
Yes,
Otherwise, Echo is there.
Friday. Take them 13. Friday.
Yes, Mr. Saraf, what is your submission?
Or even on Thursday also, your lordship.
Your lordship, my lord, if it is fixed in the BC room so that, my lord, your lordship can hear.
Because
properly.
nothing is audible.
No, my lord, that is correct, my lord. I'm really, how your lordship can hear in such a
You
way.
suggested it, suggested it.
No, 13th, my learned friend is saying Friday, so Friday it can be heard. my lord.
13th, we have kept the earlier matter, which will take
On
time.
Thursday,
13th will take time.
17.
Then 17, my lord.
17th. So,
either on, it's good, we fix either on Thursday or Friday.
This is Tuesday. If you want it on Friday, then it will be Thursday, then it is 19th.
next week.
Monday, 16th of November, Monday.
16th also, we are having a matter fixed where
16th.
lawyers from Gauhati are coming.
Or 17th Tuesday, my lord.
Okay. On 17th. Heard Mr. A.K. Saraf, learned senior counsel assisted by
Mr. B. Sharma.
P. Sharma. Also heard Mr. Moin Chin, learned counsel for
Status, all the citizens.
all the state respondent, as well as
I'm on behalf of Sir Ashok,
Mr.
Sir Ashok, on KV Nagi on behalf of. Sir
KV.
Ashok.
Is also assisting the clarification.
He's from the local council, my lord.
Okay, you are a, okay.
Your
The,
lordship, the hearings must be from the VC room.
the arrangements made for video conferencing today are found to be not proper for conducive hearing of the present matter. Therefore, the registry of this court is directed to arrange the VC setup in the VC room on the next date of hearing. On, with consent of learned counsel for both the sides, this matter is again fixed on 17th of October 2023 for hearing. The hearing shall be conducted on that day also through VC.
My lord, my lord.
Hearing shall be conducted through video conferencing.
You know, if his lordship is, my lord, if your lordship can fix up at like at 2 o'clock or something, then it will be easier for your lordship, my lord, for the VC.
No,
and all.
you are not audible. I could not.
My lord, I'm saying that, my lord, if the matter is fixed at a particular time, 2 o'clock or something, then you know it will be easier for your lordship, my lord, for going to the VC room and doing the matters.
No. Please repeat.
Well, if your lordship fix up a time like 2 o'clock, then your lordship can go to the VC room and do the hearing. Otherwise, it will be inconvenient for your lordship, you know. If in between the matter is taken up, then the other matters your lordship have to go to the VC room and thereafter again
Okay, at 2 p.m.
at 2 p.m.
On
that you can take.
17th at 2 p.m.
My lord, my lord.
On 17th at 2 p.m.
I'm highly obliged. I'm highly obliged.
তাতে ভালকে দেখা যায়। তাতে ভালকে দেখা যাচ্ছে। আপনার ভিডিওটা ভালকে আছে।
I do.